Alright, you guys, News Monkey Josh here, so I want to show you something. Oh, this is a 2001 Craftsman LT 1000. Yep. It looks pretty stock, don't it? Got stock front wheels, got stock back wheels. You know, this is a stock rear axle. It's just all stock. I mean, it's stock lawnmower battery. There's a little transmission up there. Yeah, I think everything's stock. I ain't for sure. But maybe a mower push a little more horsepower. I ain't for sure, but I think it's a V-twin brakes and Stratton. How that starter looks like it's off small block Chevy. Well, I don't know, guys. We're going to take it up to a drag strip and see what it does. Yeah, I don't know. I might get something. Guys, I don't know. You got to tell me here. Hit start button. Somebody rigged it up. You'd think it'd have a key switch here. I think somebody rigged it up here. Oh my God, that little thing sounds nasty. Oh. I'm just kidding, guys. Yes, it's 2001 Craftsman LT 1000. No, it is not stock. Racing go-kart tires all around. Go-kart racing rear axle 1 inch and a quarter. Peerless 5-speed transmission from a back rear John Deere rider. A lot of work's been done to it. There's a 44 tooth sprocket here on the back, and it's